Well, una sa lahat, itong issue ng impeachment, whether carry over o hindi ito, may rules ng impeachment rules. Impeachment court, mayroong impeachment rules. Meron ding rules ang Senate rules. Pero all this would have been avoided kung noong February 5, natanggap ng Senate President or ng Secretariat yung articles of impeachment. Ang dapat ginawa ng leadership ng Senate, ni-refer sa floor. Dinala sa floor at ni-refer sa Committee on Rules. So, from February 5, alas 7 pa sila, alas 4 ng hapon nila natanggap eh. Alas 7 ng gabi, nag-adjourn sila eh. They had 3 hours. You only need to do is 15 seconds to refer it to any committee. So, kaya hanggang ngayon, medyo naguguluhan sila sa usapin. Kailan iti-take up yan? June 2, June 3, hindi pa rin nire-refer. It's still in the hands of the Senate President. Hindi tama yun eh. Yeah. Ang kailangan dun, once you receive the articles of impeachment from the other house, which is our counterpart, dapat yun, hindi mo lang i-report sa floor, dapat yun, i-refer mo sa Committee on Rules. So, that is the basic way of doing it. At yung Committee on Rules, during that time, from February 6 onwards, pwedeng talakayin kung ito ba, rekomendasyon nila, mag-impeachment court tayo or mag-constitute tayo because the members of the Committee on Rules are members of the Senate at usually majority sila. Hindi pwedeng unilateral na ang Senate President lang ang nag-decision ng gagawin because the Senate President is not the Senate. He is merely the presiding officer. Ganon ang sinasabi ko. So that's point 1.
Okay. Senator Soto, yun nga po ano namin yan na-monitor namin dito sa STL yan na talagang sabi niyo pa, grabe pa nga ang sabi niyo dahil talagang kayo'y nagulat na hindi ito na-refer agad sa Senate Rules Committee nung Pebrero pa. Dahil gulat na gulat kayo, pero dahil kayo'y galing na sa posisyon na yan, sa tingin niyo, saan nagkulang o sino ang nagkulang na hindi ito agad nagawa na ganun, nasa proseso naman yan?
Ay, hindi yung Senate President. Dapat yung ni-refer niya. Noong araw din na yun. Ibig sabihin, nasa kamay na ng Senado. Sa ngayon, ang nangyayari nga, nag-resume sila ng June 2 hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nire-refer Nasa kamay pa rin ng Senate President And as I said, the Senate President is just the presiding officer. He's not the Senate.
Yes.
Let the Senate decide. There should be a caucus. There should be a meeting of the Committee on Rules and discuss it. Are we going to constitute ourselves into a impeachment court? Di ba? O nag-hearing ba tayo? Nakapag-hearing sila ng kung ano-ano Di ba? During the break